Hi, this is VZ Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add stickers on Discord server. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Sometimes you need to convey your emotion with something bigger than an emoji, and that's where Discord stickers come in. But maybe you can't find a sticker that you like, or you found a really funny picture you want as a sticker. So in this video, I will show you how to add stickers to your Discord server. It's very simple. First of all, you have to open our Discord, and after that you can create server. If you don't know how to create server on your Discord, you can watch on my previous video because I've made this before. Now after that, on your Discord server, you need to boost it so you can add sticker. If you see on the server boost on your server, this one, so you can go to server. When your server reach level 1, so you can add emoji slots, and also you can add stickers to your server like this. So to add the stickers to your server on Discord, you can go to your server settings. From server settings, you can go to stickers, this one. And after that, in here, you can just upload the stickers to your server. You have for the free slot, you have 5 free slots on server, but after you boost, you have level 1, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have 10 slots for stickers. You can upload stickers like this, and you can choose files. You can select on the stickers that you want to add to your server. For example, I will add this one. Okay, here's the peer review. You can add the related emoji to this sticker, and also you can add name. You can upload the description too. After you finish settings, you can just select on upload. So now you have uploaded stickers from your Discord server, and you can use it. After you finish upload the stickers, you can just go back and you can try this sticker to another channels, or maybe to your friends on your Discord. Like for this example, I will try to use it like this. You can go to settings, stickers, and you can check on your server stickers, this one. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add stickers to your Discord server. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!